Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me, Hartawan. Today, I will presenting Module 8 and 9, Practicum Data Mining. This topic, Perceptron Ensemble Classification. Okay, first we need to importing its library, just like this, NumPy, Pandas, and we have to importing Drive for mounting myself, my custom library here. And next, for its code, we need to importing sklearn datasets. Sklearn dataset will providing its dataset. In our case, we have to importing wine and breast cancer. Next, we importing preprocessing. That is standard scalar. And next, perceptron and test split is accuracy, metric accuracy, and ensemble. So, for information, ensemble method was have concept to get better result. For example, ensemble has two type and two kind of ensemble method. It is sequential and parallel. So for sequential, yeah, it's directly when you already run some model and uh, you can retrain its model on different method. But when we use parallel, you can use different model using same dataset and train some model, and we can get which one model that have better result, and which one is we can see from perspective which which model that have better accuracy. That's we can proceed a little bit. uh, we can see which one. Okay, we open. Okay, for example, we have same dataset here, and next, which one? Yeah, here we have same dataset, but we train it with different model. We can have some like a random forest or same just like previous before in our module. We can train different model, and which one we can see that have a better result. Okay, we have hard voting classifier prediction. That is for example method. But from example, there is a lot of example. So in our module, we use Bagging classifier. Okay, start to tax, heading to the tax. Okay, in tax first, tax one, we have to process classification using perceptron layer, uh, using dataset wine and breast cancer. And next, we have to set its uh, test size to 0.2, 0.3, and 0.4, and get its accuracy. So in our case, uh, it's only train model, and we doesn't need to using validation and testing its model, only train the model. Next, for the second, we need to using Bagging and base classifier perceptron, and uh, we using dataset wine and breast cancer. Ok, and its prediction set to 0.3, and an estimator 100, 200, and 300. And we only get its accuracy only. We doesn't need to validate it. Okay, heading to uh, how to solve this problem. I create some function that one function that able to solve tax one and tax two. So in here we set x and y as parameter. So it x and y, x trade for its data from dataset, and y its target. And next, test size we set it to default 0.3, and an estimator we set it to 300, and bagging set it to false. So if we doesn't need using bagging method, we can set it to false. And if we use it just in case task2, we can set it to true, and it will run begging function here. Okay, in here we set trend preprocessing standard scalar here, and next fit its model, and uh, we print how much its test size comparison. Next we put a perceptron layer here and fit its perceptron using result of standard scalar, and next we get its accuracy. And if we use begging, we can run its code by set it true, begging into true, and next we set its estimator here, and okay, for information we set random forest to 0, every random forest to 0. It's up to you, but if you want to get same result as me, you can set it to a certain value. If you set it into different value, you will get a random result. Or for example, if you doesn't set it, you will get a different result. Okay, start to dataset wine in tax1. Okay, we just main it. Okay, we can see here uh, wine use dataset wine using 0.3 test split have a better accuracy here. Okay, it's there is increment compared to 0. 20% test size and 30% test size, there is improvement. But when we set it as 40, there is a degradation in here. So we can assume that 0.3 has better accuracy as model. Okay, we run, uh, we change its dataset from wine into breast cancer. So you can see here I load dataset again, and next we run it using different input for its data and its target using breast cancer. Okay, and in here we see I put also as we needed 0.3, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.4, and we get which one that's better accuracy. So the 0.4 has better accuracy in here. Okay, let's see in tax2. Okay. In tax2, we just doesn't need to load its dataset because we doesn't put some modification on its dataset. We doesn't to put it again. And next, we just run call its data on here. And next, put an estimator uh, as 100, 200, and 300, and set begging as true. If we set begging true, it will run begging function that will train begging model. So we get the result. Okay. For this printing result, it's for just scalar, preprocessing scalar. And next for this one is result of begging. So we see here for one dataset, we have 100% for every model result. So you can see it's up to you to set which one that you will use the model. Okay, and next for breast cancer, we run here. Okay, in breast cancer, there is a differences result compared to wine. Breast cancer has different accuracy. When we use begging, there is a lower accuracy, but uh, compared to only scalar, okay, there is a same test size, but there is a different n estimate parameter. The estimate parameter for 100 was lower compared to 200, and next when we compare it with uh, dataset apa, and estimate parameter 300, it's same result as its scalar. Okay, that is for our presentation. See you next time. Goodbye.